Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on guitar. Just Dance is a very popular rhythm game that focuses on full-body movement and choreography. Players use motion controllers, like a Joy-Con or a smartphone app, to track their dance moves. The game scores you based on how accurately your body movements match the on-screen dancer. It is designed for dancing, not for playing a musical instrument like a guitar. We will explore why a guitar isn't typically used and some creative alternatives. Just Dance relies entirely on motion sensing technology to detect your movements. The game tracks your hand and arm positions, along with your overall body posture, to determine your score. It does not have any specific inputs or programming designed for guitar controllers. Attempting to use a guitar controller would not register any valid actions within the game, as it simply isn't built for that. The game expects you to dance, not strum a six-string instrument. While you cannot play Just Dance with a guitar, there are fun alternatives. You could play a real guitar along with the game's music for your own personal enjoyment, creating a unique jam session. Alternatively, explore dedicated guitar-based rhythm games like Guitar Hero or Rock Band. These games use specialized guitar controllers designed specifically for their unique gameplay. You could even create your own dance moves while holding a guitar as a fun prop, adding a creative twist to your dancing. In summary, Just Dance is best enjoyed by fully embracing its core dancing mechanics and motion controls. For an authentic guitar gameplay experience, we recommend exploring games specifically designed for instrument controllers. There are many fantastic titles that cater to guitar enthusiasts. Combine your love for music and gaming in creative and personal ways that bring you joy. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the rhythm, however you choose to play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.